I think I'm also keen to know that you've had such an impressive educational background studying at elite institutions like IIT and IIM. What motivated you or inspired you to try for those colleges, and how did they shape your career?
Mm, so I think in school I was more academically oriented rather than sports and other things, arts. And getting into IIT and IIM, growing up in India, as you know, it's a big deal. In South India, probably more so. And parents wanted me to be there. And I think after a certain age, it's not so much about the parents anymore. It's sort of you want to do something, you want to prove something to yourself and to people around you, and that was the challenge that I decided to take up, I guess, at that age. And studying in these institutes, I think, gave me a lot of exposure to a lot of different people and different ideologies and so on. I was not destined, I guess, to become a techie or a manager, but a yogi. But being in these places gave me that opportunity to really enjoy the privilege of being in a premier institute, but at the same time living life on my terms. So yeah, being a rock star was something I was aspiring to be for a long time. But again, that's just a certain construct of society, I guess, that appealed to me at a certain point of time. And yeah, right now I think it's not so much about me or what I can be, but what I can do with this life to make yoga happen to others is where my journey is at right now.
But still hard to believe that coming from these colleges where the pressure is immense, the competition is cutthroat, and obviously you can feel that anxiety and the stress in every student in those colleges. Vis-a-vis, fast forward when you decided to move to yoga, it's simply hard for me to discern. How did you? Was it your natural approach in life, even though you were there, or you slowly moved to that persona?
As I said, I was a pleasure seeker, and I would say in many ways I still am, but it's just that the pleasure that I seek now has become a lot more subtle, inward, not superficial. So I guess over time I slowly sort of deprioritized what most people consider to be uh, pleasurable pursuits, whether it's in the corporate world or whether it's in terms of travel or entertainment or performing or what have you. Yeah.